Asking how much exercise dogs need is like asking how long is a piece of string. It depends what you're using it for. In dogs, many factors affect their daily requirements: breed, age, metabolism, physical health, and daily stress levels. Greyhounds do well with short, fast spurts of running. Bassets enjoy long, slow runs. This young rat terrier enjoys playing soccer. Bully breeds enjoy weight pull and other tests of strength. Young puppies do best when they determine the length and intensity of exercise. Senior dogs need less exercise than dogs in their prime. Different metabolisms need different amounts of exercise. Here, the second dog is hotter and more tired compared to the first dog with the same amount of exercise. The second dog has a slower metabolism. With a 50% obesity rate among pet dogs, not getting enough exercise to balance their food intake is a common problem. Decreasing the quantity of food and increasing the amount of quality exercise is key. This dog has hypothyroid. Maintaining a dog's muscle tone and flexibility is important for a long life. Over-exercising can be as much of a problem as not exercising enough. Short, intense spurts of exercise may be detrimental if done too often without rest in between. Each time a dog chases a ball or runs after a frisbee, they get an adrenaline rush and the resulting stress hormone release. Too much repetition or too often, and their bodies become overstressed. Joints are also impacted each time a dog comes to a sudden stop or does repeated jumping. If your dog is not yet physically mature, has a medical issue such as hip dysplasia or repaired cruciate ligaments, this can cause joint issues. Quality exercise is sustained, smooth movement that gets the dog's heart pumping faster. Brisk leashed or long line walks or off-leash hikes are great examples. During continuous exercise, serotonin, the feel-good hormone, as well as endorphins are released that help to offset stress hormones. 15 minutes or more per session is recommended. More exercise is not necessarily better. If you're taking your dog out for longer and longer sessions each day, you're creating a better and better athlete that you have to keep up with. So what can you do to provide the ideal amount of exercise for your dog? Vary the type of exercise the dog gets on a rotating schedule. Leashed walks or runs, off-leash walks or hikes, swimming, playing with your dog buddies, etc. Use mental exercise to balance the physical. It is said that 10 minutes of mental exercise is equal to about 30 minutes of physical exercise. Just think how tired you are after figuring out a problem. Food puzzles, scent games, shaping, tricks, etc. all require a dog to use his brain, and that uses energy. Many activities like nose work and tri-ball use both components. Mental exercise also saves you time and energy and is great for those days when you can't spend much time outside. Know that your dog's exercise needs will change over time. Be prepared to adjust it as the need arises. Once you find the right balance, you will find your dog is calmer overall. Thanks to photo and video contributors.